Alright guys, so we're going through the most fun car wash I've ever seen. Look, just look at this thing. Yeah! Yeah! All over, look at the light. Oh my god.
Back window.
Look at the back window. That is awesome, my dude. Look at the front window. Changing colors. Yo! My dogs hate these. They're scared of it. Oh, here's my favorite part. Yes, another one of my favorite parts. This is the thing that dries it off. Mostly. Another wetter. And then let's see if it does a thing in the heater. Enjoy the heat. Look at the fire on it. Let the fire go. Let the fire go, man. Nice and square. That's a giant fan. Those are some giant fans.